Hi, good morning. Today we will see the section of solids. Sectional plane parallel to the base of the cone problem solution. So this is the problem which is asked by one of the student. The problem is uh, a cone of base diameter 40 mm. So diameter of the cone is 40 mm. Next thing is axis is 60 mm. Axis is given as 60 mm. It is resting on HP. So when the solid is resting on HP means first we need to draw the top view. Top view we need to draw the top view we need to draw. So what is top view? Top view no. For cone no. Top view is the circle. So first we need to draw the top view circle. HP means horizontal plane. So with its base and axis 30 mm in front of AP. So axis is given 30 mm in front of VP. That implies, so we need to locate axis 30 mm below XY line. 30 mm below XY line, we need to locate the center of the center or axis. Center axis. Next thing is a sectional plane is cuts it at a distance of 20 mm, 25 mm. So a sectional plane will be there which is cutting the cone at a distance of 25 mm from the apex and parallel to its base. So sectional plane is parallel to its base. So parallel to base means parallel to horizontal plane. So parallel to horizontal plane means it will be perpendicular automatically. It will be perpendicular to VP. So in the front view, it is called as vertical trace. Draw its sectional top view and front view we need to draw. So this is the problem. It is on section of solids and we will see the solution. Let us first assume the solid. So this is a solid. This is reference planes. One is called as vertical plane. This is called as vertical plane VP. This is called as horizontal plane HP. So the reference line is XY here. This is reference line joining horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this side it will be there XY line. Next thing is so this is the cone. Cone will be on the base. So when cone is on the base, in the top you will get the circle. Top view will be a circle. And next thing is the in front of distance is given for the center. That is given as this is given as 30 mm. So while drawing so center is 30 mm below XY line. Below XY line. Next thing is this is called as apex. So from the apex you measure 25 mm. There one sectional plane will be there parallel to the base. So this is a sectional plane parallel to the parallel to the base parallel to the base. This is a sectional plane parallel to the base. So while seeing from the front it will be visible as a vertical trace. So this will be the apex. This will be so from apex the distance will be, this distance is 25 mm. This distance is 25 mm. It is given in the data. So let us go to the drawing. Let us see the final solution. So this is the final solution for the problem. So front view is so first we need to draw the top view. Let us take XY line. This is the XY line. So this is a horizontal line, XY line. So above XY line is called as vertical plane. Below XY line is called as horizontal plane for first angle projection. Next thing is first top view we need to draw. Top view first we need to locate the center. Center at a distance of 30 mm is given. So at this center O, we need to draw a circle of 40 mm diameter. That means 20 mm radius. So here we need to draw the circle like this. The diameter will be 40 mm. So it is a cone problem now. We don't have edges and all these things. So we need to divide the circle into number of divisions like this, number of divisions like this, like this, like this, like this. So I have taken 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divisions. If you want, you can take more number of divisions also, no problem. So this distance is given as 30 mm. This is given as 30 mm, and this distance is diameter of the circle is 40 mm. It is given 40 mm is given. So now let us take the projections here. So this will be 1 1 1 1 2, this will be 3, like 3 4, like 5 6, next one is 7 8, like that you will get the number of divisions. Next thing is you take the projections from the top view. This will be the top view, this will be the top view, and this will be the top view, this will be the top view projections, like so. This will be the base of the top view, front view base. This will be 1 dash, and here it will be 5 dash, like this you will get. Now axis, now you measure the distance of O dash at a distance, axis height is given, that is 60 mm from O dash. This length will be 60 mm. This length is 60 mm. It is given in the problem itself, 60 mm. So now you join O with the divisions, that is O1, O dash 1 dash. This is O dash 5 dash. For other dimensions also, you take this will be O2 dash of 8 dash. This will be O4 dash, like this you will get. So this will be one more dimension. Now you take the vertical trace. So this is the vertical trace. So distance will be up from apex now. From apex it is given as from apex the distance is given as a sectional plane is cut at a distance of 25 mm from the apex now. So this distance is 25 mm. So you measure 25 mm. So from apex you draw vertical trace at a distance of 25 mm. So this will be the vertical trace. This will be the vertical trace. So at a distance of 25 mm. So this distance is 25 mm. This distance is 25 mm. So automatically you will get the number of divisions. The number of divisions will be, you will get it as, suppose if it is A, this will be A, this point is A, this point is B dash, this point is A dash. So like this you can note the points. So now you take the corresponding projections. So this will be there now. You take this projection onto this line, where it meets now. You measure it as OA. So since it is parallel now, OA as a radius, you draw one circle. That will be the sectional top view. That will be the sectional top view, and this is called as sectional top view, and this will be the sectional front view. So like this, we are drawing the projections of the given solid which is cut by sectional plane. This will be the sectional front view. This will be the sectional front view, and this will be the sectional top view. This will be the sectional top view. Like this, you will get the sectional front view. This is called as a sectional front view, and this is sectional top view, and this is called as a sectional front view. This is called as top view, and this is called as a front view. So I hope you understand this problem. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can subscribe me at this YouTube channel at THPRASADS, or you can subscribe me by clicking subscribe button at the end of the bottom of the video. You will get like this. You can subscribe me for more videos. So thank you once again for watching.